Hey everyone, today we're comparing two popular kitchen gadgets that everyone's talking about. The Ninja Crispi versus the Our Place Wonder Oven. Which one cooks better? Let's find out. First up, the Ninja Crispi. This portable air fryer comes with glass containers that are totally safe. No weird chemicals. It's got 4 cooking modes: air fry, bake, roast, and reheat. The best part? It heats up super fast, so you can cook a personal meal in just 7 minutes. Plus, it doesn't need preheating time. Now the Wonder Oven. This sleek machine does 6 different things: air fry, bake, roast, toast, broil, and reheat. It also has this cool steam feature that keeps your food moist inside while making it crispy outside. It preheats 75% faster than regular ovens. Here is where it gets interesting. When we tested frozen fries, both did great. The Wonder Oven made crispy, tasty fries, but the Ninja Crispi was slightly crispier and cooked a bit faster. The Ninja also wins because it doesn't need any preheating. Size matters here. The Ninja Crispi is more portable and perfect for single serving or small families. The Wonder Oven is bigger and can handle family-sized meals better. Both cost about the same, around $195, so price isn't really a deciding factor. So which one wins? If you want something portable, fast, and no preheating, go with the Ninja Crispi. It's better for quick meals and small batches. But if you need more cooking options, bigger capacity, and that steam feature, the Wonder Oven is your best bet. Both are solid choices, just depends on what you need. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more kitchen gadget comparisons.